breaking news that's now coming in. Let's tell our viewers about the latest input. The opposition strategy meet ahead of this session, ahead of today's session is planned, and that meeting will be taking place with Mallikarjun Kharge, who will be chairing it. Now let's tell you what more do we know about this particular meeting. Now these are meeting of INDIA floor leaders. It will begin at Mallikarjun Kharge's office in the Samvidhan Sadan of the Parliament House complex to discuss the strategy. Let me once again go back to Niyamika. Niyamika, okay, before that, we also have a reaction coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge. Let's play that out.
हम चलने नहीं देते, ये उनका आरोप है। मेरा आरोप ये है 2 मिनट में एडजर्न होता तो उसको चलने दे, तो सरकार खुद ही एडजर्न करने लगा रही। 5 मिनट में एडजर्न, कभी सुने आप? इतने लोग वहां पर चुन के आए, लोगों की अपेक्षा रहती है कुछ चर्चा हो और कुछ बातें निकले उनके लिए। उससे पहले ही हाउस एडजर्न होता है कि ये लोग डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं, बात नहीं करने दे रहे, तो ये उनकी गलती है, हमारी नहीं।
Tom Vadakkan of the BJP joining us this morning. Good morning, Mr. Vadakkan. When the opposition is asked a question on the back-to-back strategy of disruption, they say, why shouldn't the government be made accountable? And when the House is adjourned after every few minutes, then this is the government that doesn't want any business to be transacted in the winter session. How do you respond to the Congress's allegations?
This is purely passing the buck. Essentially, they are disturbing the House with a cold-blooded strategy. And when they've realized that people of India have realized that these people are wasting the exchequer's money and are up to no good, they are now passing the buck onto the government. And this is, I mean, a very frail kind of a logic. It doesn't hold water. And I think this whole exercise is to, cover their narrative, which has failed miserably, both with the people in the People's Court and in Parliament.
Okay.
They create disturbances and then they blame the government for this.
But Mr. Vadakkan, the Congress party says that they've been moving adjournment notices on critical issues, and the government is running away from a debate on the issues that they want a discussion on, one of them being the Adani issue.
Adani issue is not a critical issue. This is between the U.S. judiciary and a private company. That has been clarified by the government of India. So why create havoc in Parliament, essentially to grab headlines, because there's nothing the government of India has got involved. The concerned company has already made a statement in public.
All right.
There is no evidence on anything that the judiciary claims, and this is it's not a final decision.
Okay.
There will be a trial, and let the trial in US continue, and we'll see what the results are. Why are you disturbing Indian Parliament?
All right.
There are issues which are of serious concern which needs to be discussed.
All right.
But you are doing a soulless narrative. That's exactly what's happening.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Vadakkan, for joining in with your views. Going back to Niyamika. Niyamika is tracking that strategy meeting of the INDIA MPs. Niyamika, we've broken down and we've given information to our viewers about the kind of notices that have been moved by leaders of the opposition from the Congress party, from the DMK, and also from the Aam Aadmi party. When it comes to the strategy meeting, what is the inside scoop that you've accessed? What's on agenda in this meeting? Okay, Niyamika, do stay with us before I take an answer with you. We have Congress leader Udit Raj also joining us. Mr. Udit Raj, good morning. The BJP says that the opposition does not want the parliament to function, and the Bharatiya Janata Party today is accusing you of deliberately disrupting the parliament.
They should remember when they were in a position during UPA government, and it is they who said that floor management, responsibility of floor management rests with the government. Why are they not managing the floor? And when they will not allow relevant issues to be discussed, then what for the parliament session is? And they want to impose whatever they want to discuss. And when the opposition voices not heard, what to do? In a democracy, whatever the option are available with opposition, they are trying to do that. They are trying to do the maximum. So what happened that issues which are not inconvenient to BJP, so they don't allow and they heckle and of course they hoot.
But Mr. Udit, the other accusation that the BJP is hurling is that there is constant sloganeering. When there is an attempt to make a point, there is disruption, and that is why Parliament is not being allowed to function. If we only look at the first 3 days of Parliament, at least 31.5 crore of taxpayer money was wasted, and the BJP says this is on the opposition.
The BJP is responsible for this wastage of money. So why don't they allow to opposition to raise their issues like EVM and Sambhal and of course Adani. When Adani word is on the tongue of the opposition, I don't know why BJP, all of them, they stand with Adani. As if Adani is running entire government and BJP. What have they to do when American court has issued notice to Adani? Let Adani answer why BJP people come in between. So what happened that ruckus which is there in the parliament, they are responsible for it.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Udit Raj, for joining us. So here the blame game continues and Niyamika stays with us. Niyamika, you've been hearing the kind of back and forth that's going on between the BJP and the Congress. Here the BJP is accusing the Congress of disrupting Parliament and of also deliberately functioning in a way that it wastes the taxpayers' money, because every minute to run the Parliament, as per reports, costs about 2.5 lakh rupees. And there is also a number. It's day 6 of the Parliament. No significant business has been transacted. Appeals have been made from all sides. Now tell us about the strategy meeting that is currently underway, and what are you hearing from your sources? What is the larger plan of the INDIA MPs?
Well, interestingly, a situation has come where it is not about BJP versus Congress, but it is about Congress versus the other India bloc parties, because there are many other parties who are of the opinion that the manner in which the House is getting adjourned because of the continuous protest which is going on regarding a demand for a discussion upon the bribery charges against the Adani Group, they are not really happy with this, and that is the only reason why they had also made such kind of statements that there are some other issues which are related to their respective states which needs to be discussed within the Parliament, and that is the only reason why we have seen that various India bloc party MPs have given the adjournment motion notices within both the houses, both in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, in which they have demanded certain discussions upon the issues like Sambhal or the demands which are being raised by the farmers or the law and order situation in the national capital. All of these issues are needed to be discussed, and that is what they are trying to communicate with the Congress party's top leadership as well. And that is the reason why this meeting is seems to be a very crucial one, which is currently underway at the office of the leader of opposition of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, where all the floor leaders of the India bloc parties are currently present there, and they are also trying to communicate this message to the Congress party's president as well as the LOP of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, that this needs to be stopped, as the House needs to be functioned properly, so that they will also be able to raise certain matters which are related to their own respective states.
All right.